will it be decided on the basis of evidence or on political affiliation? I would like to believe that when the senator judges took their oath of impartiality, and also when the Senate rule says that the Senate impeachment court judges must be politically neutral, I would like to rely on a presumption of good faith. Naniniwala po ako sa lahat ng senator judges that they will be true to their oath of political neutrality and impartial justice. Pag nagkamali naman ako sa paniwalang yan, taong bayan na magde-decide. Because this will be judged not only in the Senate impeachment court, but in the court of public opinion. So, if I am mistaken in my good faith reliance, then let the people decide. But to your question, naniniwala po ako na mananalo kami based on the evidence. Maging 16 votes yan, 12 votes yan, 24 votes yan, or 22 votes yan. Conviction ang lalabas dyan.